See, okay, I did 200 trips last 3 weeks for Lyft. Okay. Now, let me tell you something, Chris. This is not because Vischer was on last week. Okay, call him Vischer. We got to start calling him David because he's a cool guy. Anyway, so here's the deal. On the right is Uber Trip Radar, which goes. It's like you're driving and then like, what the? And look at that trip on the trip radar. Don't tell me that trip did not go there to die, Chris.
I know, right? 37.94 for an hour and 8 minutes and 65-mile trip.
I'm not even sure what the purpose of that is right there.
That's called, and I like it. 6 people are looking at that and they're all thinking to themselves, hell effing no.
Yeah, they go, you die right here, sir. And so on the left is from my app when I was doing my ride challenge. This is how Lyft's Trip Radar works on a live basis, not intrusive like Uber's, saying like pinging you, you know, that with that annoying noise in the background saying, I'm like, screw you. And then sometimes, you know, you're fat fingered this thing, right? The X is small, you know, you don't know, you just want to make sure you just exit out because you can't see anything else on the screen. On Lyft, it's not like that. On Lyft, these are all the available rides live around you. You like one? Click on it. Once you click on it, the detail page opens up and tells you exactly what the trip is, where it's going, where the pickup is. You already know how far away you are and how much it's going to pay you. So much more transparent, so much more relaxing. If you don't want to click on any of them, don't click on any of them. Nothing is forced on you. Nothing. Because you know what happens on Trip Radar, Chris? When they put it on Trip Radar, I am almost sure, guarantee every driver that within 10 seconds, you're going to get pinged with that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Because first they show it to you on Trip Radar, they go, let's just ping Serge with that. I'm like, no. So, okay, Lyft has done 2 things that are so far above and superior to Uber's. 1, Trip Radar. This Trip Radar is lovely. No forcing, no shoving. You just click on it. If you want it, you go get it. If you don't, you leave it alone. If you do want more information, you can click on it. It's not accepting it. It'll give you a screen saying, and then you click accept. You look at the details, profitable, not profitable, whatever. The other thing they have done is underneath it. Do you guys see that circle over there? That purple circle? That's called Lyft's area filter. Compare that to Uber's area filter. Garbage. First of all, Uber took it away, made it a perk for platinum or gold or whatever drivers anyway.
And it's not even available in all markets.
Exactly. And this one, beautiful. I set it on 5 miles on my house. I just want to do short trips if I have a ride challenge like I did. So Lyft, I'm telling you, I have hopes for that little tree. Slowly, they're doing things better. They're copying maybe, but they're doing things better. Because Uber Trip Radar is garbage. There you go.
Oh yeah, and it's so unsafe because it all of a sudden it'll start dinging and going crazy if you're driving or if you're moving or something, not paying attention. Then all of a sudden it starts coming on. Not very safe at all.
Yeah. So
but overall, I think it's a much better layout when it comes to Trip Radar.
Yep,
so it's always welcome to see that. Now the question is, are those the trips that Lyft takes that goes to die as well too? That's what you have to click on to see, but more than likely,
yeah. But I mean, look, you know, I didn't take any of them obviously because it's 13 minutes away. I'm trying to stay in the area anyway. It's not the point. The point is, it's not as intrusive as Uber's, not as unsafe as Uber's. You can open it up, look at it, decide yes, no, okay, whatever. So these 2 things that Lyft has done lately, area filter and Trip Radar, are much better.
Yep. Yeah. So hopefully we'll see some more improvements within the app when it comes to things like that.
We're working on it.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.